Hey guys, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today we're going to go over and show you how to install our new bumper and grille kits like you see here on this 2019 Ram 1500 Limited. Let's check them out. We now have two different options to mount our SS5 pods in front of your grille. Our bumper kit, which allows you to mount two SS5s, and our grille kit that allows you to mount a linked 4-pod light bar in front of the grille. Whichever kit you go with, they'll provide a crazy amount of added light output thanks to the patented Stage Series LED technology inside of our SS5s. In addition to our insanely bright main beam, our SS5s include a selectable backlight in 8 color options on our white pods and a single amber backlight on our yellow pods. Both the main beam and backlight can be controlled with the included toggle switch or by hooking up directly to an aftermarket switch bank using our aux adapter. These kits offer tons of customization, allowing you to choose between 6000K cool white and 3000K selective yellow LED pods in our Sport or Pro power levels. They come with either our driving optic, which shines light in a concentrated beam of light downrange like a supplemental high beam, or our combo optic. This combines our driving and flood optics to shine light downrange in a rectangular pattern and add fill light in front of the vehicle. I'll show you how to get everything installed now. We'll start underneath the vehicle behind the lower bumper grille. If your vehicle has parking sensors, disconnect the harnesses located on both the driver and passenger side of the grille. Next, we'll use a trim removal tool to remove 9 plastic clips on the lower side. Using an 8mm shallow socket, loosen the 9 nuts located on top of the grille. With the plastic clips removed and the bolts loosened, we can slide the grille forward from the bumper to remove it. With the lower grille removed, we'll need to make some modifications to it. It should be noted that we ordered a new vented grille and made modifications to it ahead of time. On the top side, above both parking sensors, use a Dremel to cut out a 2 1/8 inch section to provide a space for the new brackets and wiring harness. On the bottom of the grille, underneath both parking sensors, mark the lower tab and remove it. Next, we'll grab our brackets and mount them to the second inboard set of tabs on both the driver and passenger side of the lower bumper opening using the included 10mm bolts and nuts. Now we can route our wiring. We'll be installing our SS5 CrossLink Grille Kit first. If you're installing our bumper kit, go ahead and skip to the timestamp below. Start by connecting our positive and negative leads to the battery. Then you can route your DT connectors how you see fit, making sure to keep away from any hotter moving parts. On our vehicle, we'll go behind the driver's side headlight, then down and out through the lower bumper opening. You can route the toggle switch through the firewall to the location of your choice. Next, we can grab our modified grille and place it onto the vehicle, routing our DT connector through the cutout we made. Tighten the 9 bolts we loosened earlier and reinstall the 9 plastic clips. Now we can mount our SS5 CrossLink light bar. We assembled ours ahead of time, but if you don't know how to do this, check out the video in the description below. Align the light bar with both brackets and using the included hardware, loosely place a bolt and washer on both sides to hold it in place. Install the rest of the hardware and tighten everything down using a 5mm Allen and 10mm wrench. Plug in the DT connector and test for functionality. With everything functioning properly, make your final aiming adjustments and tighten everything down using a 10mm socket and 5mm Allen. Now we'll show you how to install our SS5 Bumper Kit. Grab your harness and connect the positive and negative leads to the battery and route the DT connectors how you see fit. On our vehicle, we'll go behind the driver's side headlight, then down and out through the lower bumper. Place the lower bumper grill onto the vehicle, routing both DT connectors through the cutout on both sides. Tighten the 9 bolts we loosened earlier and reinstall the 9 plastic clips. Grab the universal brackets included with your pods and attach them to both grill brackets using the included hardware, and tighten everything down using a 10mm wrench and 5mm Allen. Now we can plug in our pods and secure them to the brackets by threading on our 5/32 bolts with washers through the bracket and into the SS5 on both sides of the pod. Repeat the same steps for the driver's side pod. Test for functionality. With everything functioning properly, make your final aiming adjustments and tighten everything down using a 5/32 Allen. Finally, reconnect the parking sensors and tie up any loose wiring using the included zip ties. If you're looking to pick up a bumper or grill kit for your ride, check out our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.